Good afternoon, Brandon here from Beast Mode Trading. It's a Sunday fun day. Wanted to give you guys another recap of Beast Mode Butter on the left hand side and show you Beast Mode Boogie here on the right hand side. Both custom tools that we have in our live chat room that we use daily in our live chat room. I don't want to take too much of your time, so let's dive in. These are just recaps to build confidence within your BS, not bullshit belief system. When you take trades, you need to have a belief system. You need to have proper risk management. You need to trade with consistency, and you need to stay dedicated to the plan. Once again, that's just my opinion. This week was horrible for Beast Mode Butter, but we were still able to pull another green bag out at the end of the week. And to me, as a day trader, that is what is successful for me individually. So let's dive in here. We had a 4-day work week. There's Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and then this was Friday the previous week because Monday we were closed. So we'll zoom in here. We took puts right here, 1-0. We took calls here. First blue arrow on the blue line, stop outs right here. Goes on to be a loser. Did not hit our 1-to-1, but we did get a put signal right there. So we got one winner right here. Entry on the first winner was here. Stop outs there. 1-to-1 gets hit. You set a trail stop. You're able to capture more of a winner. 1-0. You take this trade right here. We are in some calls. Stop outs right here. This candle closed below it. So we are now 1-1, but we do have a put signal here. So this kind of migrates the loss we had right there. Our stop out was right here, and we ended up taking a winner on that. So we are 2 winners and 1 loser so far. And then we ended up getting one more trade on this day right here. First red arrow, line turns red, momentum shift to the downside. So on this day, we go 1-0, 1-1, 2-1, and we go 3-1. 3-1 to start our week off on Tuesday. Not bad, 75% win rate. 3-1. This brings us into the next day. 3-1. We take a put trade here. Here's our stop out. Down here it hits our 1-to-1. We are 4-1. We take a set of calls right here. We thought this was going to break out and continue up, but it didn't happen, and that's kind of why we elaborate. You must have a plan when you trade because not everything will go in your direction. So we were what, 3-1. This one we're 4-1. With this trade was a loser. We cut it right here. We are 4-2. Here we took puts right here. Here was our stop out, and our target never got hit. It did hit it later on, but when you day trade, you have to kind of respect your rules. So we are 4-2, I believe, with this loss. We'll be 4-3. This loss was not as great of a loss, just because once again we got a call signal here, so we're in both of them, a call and a put at the same time. And obviously, we made more money on the call than we did on this loss right there. So if you look at these 2 trades right here, you essentially have a 50% win rate, but yet you are still net profitable. And what more could you ask for as a day trader? So then we go on and we get another signal right here. We take puts. Here's our stop out. Once this thing came up here and then came back down, just because we were green on the day already, we did lock this in. Went from 73 down here to about 45. So that was a winner right there for us in the room. And let's keep on going. So let's go to the next day. We take puts here. Once again, our stop outs there did end up going in our favor, but it tricked us, from a very micro standpoint. We took a loss on this day. Here, we took calls. We expected this to keep pushing up. We saw that we had a lower low. We expected to break this and at least retest this high. Unfortunately, it did not. We got stopped out for a loss. On this day, you got 1 loser, 2 losers, and then you get into a put trade here, which this put is a little bit larger than these 2 losers on this side. So you're still red for the day, but you made most of your money back. So at this point, you are small. You have a small red day. Then it brings us into our next trade. We have a entry here. Here's our stop out. Then we come up here, and it goes on and hits our 1-to-1. And there was another winner on that day. So on this day, we go 0-2, 1-2, 2-2 on the day. 50% win rate. yet again, you still could have finished this day green, just following the rules. And then that brings us into our last day of the week, Friday. We take this first red arrow right here, puts. Here's our stop out. It goes down here, hits our target. We get IV hike in our favor. We know as option traders that blesses us. We'll take that. Got a winner there. Then we take some calls here. Here was our stop out and set a trail stop. And look what happens, continues up. So on this day, we go 2-0 so far. Then we get a third trade right here. We take puts, stop outs here, and goes right down to our target, 3-0 on this day. And that sums us up for the week. Let's go back Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. Real quick for the record. We ended up getting 1-0, 1-0, 1-1, 2-1, 3-1. We're 3-1 right now. Take it to the next day, 3-1, 4-1, 4-2, 4-3, 4-3, 5-3, 5-3. Next day, we got a loser, 5-4. We got a loser there, 5-5. Then we get another winner, 6-5. Another winner, 7-5. And then it brings us to our next day. We're 7-5. We get a winner, 8-5. Another winner, 9-5. Another winner, 10-5. So we finished this week going 10 wins, 5 losses. Let's see what we get here. 10 divided by 15 total trades, 66% win rate, and another green day or green week in the books. Horrible week, but we followed our plans and we were still able to pull another green bag out of the markets with our Beast Mode butter, risk to reward of 1-to-1. And it's really that easy right there. That's what we do consistently. I think that was right? Go back and just double check. It's Friday. We got 1-0, 2-0, 3-0. Nope, 3-0. On this day, we took a loser, 3-0. We're 3-1. Took another loser, 3-2, followed by a winner, 4-2, followed by a winner, 5-2. We're 5-2. We got a winner, 6-2, loser, 6-3, followed by a winner, 6-3, 7-3, 8-3, 9-3. Then on this day we have 10-3, right? Get that one? Yeah, 10-3, 10-4, 11-4, 11-4. Wait a second, hold on. Let's go back and redo this. I messed the numbers up somehow. Hey, we're all human. All right, 1-0. Then we take calls right there, 1-1. Then we take puts, 2-1. Then we take puts right here, 3-1. So we're 3-1. Next day, we take puts, 4-1. We take calls, goes on to be a loser, 4-1. We're 4-2. We take puts, 4-3. We take calls, 5-3. We take puts, 6-3. And we take calls right there. Nope, we're 6-3. That's probably the one that messed me up. 6-3. 6-4 loser, 6-5 loser. There's a winner, 7-5. Here's another winner, 8-5. 8-5. And then that brings us to our last day. 8-5, 9-5, 10-5. We're 11-5. I'm sorry, 11-5 for the week. So 11 divided by 16 is a 68% win rate. I knew it was a little higher than 66. I just wasn't sure. I was like, how'd that work? But we finished the week green, and that is all that matters. So 68% win rate, Beast Mode butter. That's just one system. And this is Beast Mode boogie. Where my cursor's at. We look to get every morning, we look to get 2 to 3 winning trades, and then we walk away. So how this system works is out the gate, 9:29 a.m. Eastern time, we took puts, and our stop out would have been if our candle would turn green again. We took puts here, easily got one winner. And then we got some calls here. Since we made so much of a winner there, we got calls right here, and some people got filled a little bit less because they wait for a little retrace. But if you would have taken this right when it closed, this thing immediately shot up about 20 cents. Second, we get 20 cents on the share side of SPY. We go into a trail stop, guaranteed winner, risk-free trade, and that's what we do. So we got a winner there. This one, you could call a winner or a loser. Some people won, some people lost. It did move about 20 cents, so we'll just call it a minor winner or a wash. You take puts right here from 50, and it goes down here to 30. There was another 20-cent move, enough on expiration day to get you about 10, 12 cents on the option side. So you had 1-0, 2-0, 3-0. This one, you took a loss, and that does happen when you trade. So that's why you have to use proper risk management. Then you short it right here. It went from 55. We expected it to go down here to about 35 to retest this low. Then it bounced on us. So we closed out of this trade from 55 cents to this first green candle to 75 cents. We lost 20 cents on the share side, probably about 8, 10, 12 cents. So we took a loss there. Then we're back on the winning side. So we got 1-0, 2-0, 3-0. And by that time, you could have been done for the day. If you traded all these signals, you went 1-0, 2-0, 3-0, 3-1, 3-2, 4-2. Here's another winner, another leg up. 4-2, 5-2, because once our candles are green, we come down, we turn red. This is a reset. So the next green candle above this smart price band, which the line's green, we'll be taking some calls again. We took some calls right here. Easy money. So you got 1-0, 2-0, 3-0, 3-1, 3-2, 4-2, 5-2. Candles turn red. We're looking for a green one. Oh, but our smart price band changes colors to red. So we short it right here. Look what happens. We're looking for 89.70, 9.69 right here. We set a trail stop, and this thing rocked straight down here. And we ended up getting a nice winner. So there was another winner, and look what happens. Keeps on going. Then it resets here, and you take a put trade here. If you were trading this all day long, once again, you could have easily gotten 2 to 3 winners and been done for the day. But just kind of showing you how it works out, because I don't want to just show you the winners, you know. So we'll show you what losers look like as well. Take a put here. There's a stop out for a loss. You take a put here. There's a stop out for a loss. Then you take a put here, back on the winning side. Now we take another trade. We take some calls here, and once it fell down and came back up, you're probably better off just going in a trail stop from, once again, I wouldn't trade during this time, but if you did, it didn't really go your full 20 cents. Then our smart price band is red. We take puts here, and it flushes down. So that's Beast Mode Boogie right there. A lot of times we like to take the trades right out the gate. I could show you how that played out this week, and look how often we're correct. We took puts here. Look what happened right out the gate. Winner. Another set of puts. 2 winners. Another set of puts. 3 winners. Another set of puts. 4 winners. So when we start trending, we get multiple entries, which is a lot of why a lot of folks are starting to fall in love with Beast Mode Boogie. I like the out the gate method, because if I can get 2 trades in the first half hour of trading and relax for the rest of the day, that's ideally what I enjoy doing, you know. And then I'll scale back to only trading 1 or 2 contracts just to have fun with the team, and they all know that. So Tuesday was a winner out the gate. Wednesday we took puts, we shorted it out the gate, 2-0 this week. Thursday out the gate we took puts, another winner. And then we walk into Friday out the gate. Let's see what happened. Our candle's red. We took puts. Look what happened. 4-0 out the gate this week. Beast Mode Boogie time. If you like what you do, please reach out. We appreciate you. We thank you for watching this video. And we look forward to the future that we have. Beast Mode out. You have a wonderful and blessed day.